to Dashcam TV. Thanks for checking out our channel. Saturday afternoon, December 19th, 2020. We're heading from Napanee back to Shantville. We just passed Marysville, actually. I'd like to thank everyone who has subscribed so far. Haven't subscribed yet, please click the subscribe button and hit that notification bell. That's where the protest was. February, I believe it was, when they had the rail line shut down from coast to coast, I think.
Sorry for the hand in the way.
And on our right here is Shantville Motorsport Park.
Pretty cold too, but not as cold as the last 2 days.
Yeah, it got down to minus 14 for a couple of days with a wind chill of, I think, minus 21 Celsius. That froze some water.
It froze my apartment. My heat stopped working.
Yeah, not the days you want it to be without heat.
Yep. Good thing my apartment's small and I'm in the middle of everything, because it could have been a lot worse.
Well, I'm glad they have it fixed now for you.
Me too. And my girls are happy. When I talk about my girls, I'm talking about my cats.
So again, thanks for watching Dashcam TV and supporting our channel. As you've seen from some of the other videos, we're not like every other Dashcam channel that just shows car crashes and bad driving. There's also that fun clip of the machines, and of course some fun clips of Whistler, my awesome dog. He really is the star of Dashcam TV. He's not with us right now. He's at home.
Next video, he'll be in it though.
Probably.
Yeah, probably tomorrow.
So we are dual recording right now, so maybe I can edit this together. If you look up here, you can see we've got the dash cam going as well. So this is dash cam of the dash cam.
anybody else ready for the snow to come? Because I know I am.
I would definitely like to see some snow on the ground.
I'm really determined to learn how to snowboard this year. I know I'm old. I'll probably break a hip, maybe two.
You will definitely not break a hip.
You don't know how clumsy I am.
Remember, I am a qualified snowboard instructor.
Yes, you are. But you can't be around me all the time, and when I fall, it's gonna be a good one. I remember in public school we went to Calabogie, and I'm sure you were there. And yeah, I only did the bunny hill. That was as far as I would go.
Thanks for watching Dashcam TV and supporting our channel. If you're liking our content, please subscribe.
I need me one of those cars.
Yeah, right. And of course, click the like button and comment below.